Probably I created my first Avee player template almost 6 years ago, and now I have over 580 templates. In this video, I'll show you every step to download and use my templates, and I'll also cover all the known issues so you can perform like a pro. Check the video description and download the templates you need. You will get two types of files, ZEP and RAR. If you're using a newer device, you can easily extract them. But if you're using an older device, you will need ZArchiver or WinRAR to extract the files. You can use whichever you like. In ZArchiver, go to the folder where you downloaded the template. Tap on the file, tap Extract here, enter the required password, and your file is ready to use. Also in WinRAR, go to the folder where you downloaded the template. Select the file, tap Extract, choose a location where you want to extract it, tap OK, enter the required password, and it's ready. Let's import the template in Avee Player. Go to the folder where you extracted the template. Tap on the file and select Avee Player. You can also import the template from the app. Just go to the library and use the Load from File option to import the template. Sometimes you may face this type of error. It's because the template is a bit old and the app has been updated. To fix this issue, go to my Telegram channel. Download the official old version of the app, import the template, and then update the app from the Play Store. Let's edit the template for a different channel. To change the logo, go to Edits. Find the element where image is tagged with logo. Tap on it. Expand image. Tap on Custom Image, then go to Pick Image, and select your logo. In general, use Scale to adjust your logo's size. You can use the Position option to move your logo. To change the background, go to Edits. Find the element where image is tagged with background or wallpaper. Tap on it. Expand image. Tap on Custom Image, then go to Pick Image, and select your background. To change the spin, go to Edits. Find the element where image is tagged with spin, tap on it, expand image, go to Custom Image, and add your circle. If you face this type of problem, it's because your circle is not in PNG format. You don't need to make it transparent. Just go to Color Key, tick the Enabled Color Key option, and it's ready. Sometimes, if you want to make your circle rotate faster, go to General and scroll down to the last Measure Rot. You'll see two options, A for speed and B for beat amount. A controls the rotation speed when there are no beats in the music, and B increases the rotation speed based on the beats. Adjust the values as you need. Before changing the color, you need to export it. You can export it in two formats, horizontal and vertical. For the vertical format, make sure the height is 1920 and the width is 1080. If you want to export it in horizontal format, just swap the values. Set the video duration. Export it. To change the color, open the exported video in Alight motion. Select the video, go to Effects, add Saturation and Vibrance. Change the saturation value to -100. Go back twice, add a square shape, make it full screen, change the color, go to Blending and Opacity, expand Darken and apply Color Burn. Extend the layer to the end. Go back. Group the layers. Adjust brightness or contrast if needed, and export it. If you're not comfortable with Alight motion, open the exported video in CapCut. Select the video, go to Adjust, decrease the saturation to -50. Go to Overlay, add a background with any color, make it full screen, and extend it to the end. Select the background, go to Splice, apply Overlay or Color Burn. Now you can export it. At the end, please don't sell or repost my templates under your name. All of my templates are free. Re-uploading without permission and claiming ownership are illegal, and it may affect my future free template giveaways. Thanks for your understanding, and I hope you can now make videos like a pro.